Welcome to another episode of What You Think Podcast. The podcast where we talk about any and everything. Today my lovely co-host is Chiney. How go on, Chiney?
Hi.
Everything good? Yeah, man. So Chiney, I'm a special guest today. I shall make you know things them from the woman perspective, from the woman side. So Chiney, you do music videos and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
So what is your, give it the good and the bad when you do music videos for artists and them things. So what you say are the good first?
I have no bad for saying at all.
We are good.
I have no good nor no bad. I know I can't get back at work.
Right, so be a good then, so give it a good then, I'll be a good then, man. What you like about music videos and the shooting music videos?
The experience, you know.
Yeah.
You get experience, you know, say me can dance that way there, that way there, and flex that way there, and vibes. You understand?
I love dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't make nobody because nobody, you know, make me feel down or make me wrongfully feel myself like.
Yeah. You see, you're always positive, man. You're up on a positive vibe. Yeah, you don't make nobody get you down. That's the way to go, man. So, from what age you realize you have the talent for dancing? like early out.
Well, I used to watch.
Right, you grew up and watch.
I used to watch.
Yeah.
And then I say, me have try look a style and look a style make one and two and then I say, yeah, girl can mash it and say, you know.
Do a thing.
Can do a thing. Do you think and see thing make a look, make the sense. So I never, no foolishness, I allow people wrongfully judge me.
Right. So you remember the first music video you ever do?
Remember again, Bam Bam by, I think a Yard I by something. I just name again. The one is saying, you want to speak name or
If you remember the artist, you can name him. But you remember that, you know, a Bam Bam.
I mean, Bam Bam.
Yeah, okay. And say the nervous the first time?
No. I know some have it and me, so I just get the best.
Yeah.
I get the best because I don't doubt myself.
Right. So you have any dancehall queen who influence you or any female in the dancehall business where you say you like how she dance or how she carry herself?
Myself. Because I have to props myself because I watch and observe and learn. So I have to props myself, so I the dance in my industry.
Right. Alright. So who is your favorite female dancehall artist? You have a favorite one? Spice? Shensia?
No, you know.
So you just listen to everybody?
No, I'm on the man version. I'm on the man side.
So who's your favorite male artist then?
Mercs. One Mercs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, you're an artist that. Yeah, man. So we just had a song for summer 2026. We're in 2026 right now. Which song you notice when you go to take the place?
Which song? But that's a Merc same way.
Yeah.
With the felony.
Yeah.
With the, you know, the song, the MF, I don't can say.
Stealer.
Yeah, but the rich motherfucker family that going.
Yeah. You're tuned that.
Yeah. Right. That I run the summer same way.
Same way. Alright. So you have no old time DJ out of like Bounty, Beanie, Cartel.
One cartel,
one teacher.
One teacher.
Every time.
One Addy never change.
Alright. Big up teacher. Yeah, man. And so what else in the dancehall? Which you go Uptown Mondays, the different dance, so which one are the favorite? Which one did I say the best dance you ever go?
Which one? By so much more I can remember.
Yeah.
Swear.
But you must have memory one was stand out.
But I say Sans.
Sans.
And Zimmy.
Yeah.
Them they stand out.
Which Zimmy say river?
Yeah.
Yeah. Them that stand out to you. Alright. They say you love the bikini thing. You
Yeah,
go
man,
to your
I show my
bikini.
look skin.
Yeah. And it all natural. No BBL.
Soon.
And they say, so you don't need it. You don't need it at all, man. All natural BBL right there. Alright, Chiney. One